Hello everyone, my name is Kanhaiya Prasad Sai and today we will discuss about a very interesting topic of our advanced insecticide toxicology subject, which is synergism. So let's know about this. So what is synergism? Synergism derived from a Greek word synergos and their meaning is working together. So the definition of synergism: it is combined effect of more than one pesticide or compounds which is greater than sum total of individual effect of insecticides or pesticides, and the added compound refers to a synergist. So we know about synergism with some examples. So this is the examples, which is 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. 2 is represent a pesticide and 1 is represent a synergist. When after adding this we will get 5, which means 5 is greater than sum total of this individual effect. So that's why this is the example of synergism. And we know the another example and we can easily understand. So when we use insecticide with synergist, if insecticide have 30% motility and synergist have 0% motility, then we will get 50% motility. Means 50% motility is the greater effect of insecticide as compared to individual effect, because individual effect of insecticide is 30% motility and synergist 0% motility, but after combining this their effect is greater. So this is the example of some synergist like piperins, cysamine, piperonyl butoxide and Cimex sulfoxide. So mode of action of synergist. So first is synergist may improve penetrations of insecticides through insect cuticle and nervous system, because insect have cuticle and cuticle may prevent the insecticide penetration and insecticide become less toxic. But after using the synergist with insecticide, insecticide can easily penetrate through cuticle. Next is synergist may be protective the insecticide from weathering effect, because due to different environmental effect or factors like sunlight, moisture and temperature, it can degrade insecticide and reducing their effectiveness. But after using the synergist we can tolerate the environmental factors effect. So the next is synergist may inhibit the detoxifying enzyme. Insect have detoxifying enzyme and their work is to detoxify the different group of insecticides, but after using synergist enzyme cannot degrade the insecticide. And the next mode of action is increased pesticide persistence. When we use synergist with pesticide, then their persistence capacity is enhanced and remain for longer time. So this is the common synergist insecticide combinations. So when we use pyrethroid group of insecticide with piperonyl butoxide synergist for control of mosquito, flies and cockroaches, then we can see the synergistic action, which is inhibit detoxification of enzyme P450. P450 enzyme is a cytochrome P450 enzyme which inhibit the pyrethroid insecticide, but after using synergist it cannot inhibit the pyrethroid group of insecticides. And next is when we use organophosphate group of insecticide with Cimex synergist for control of aphid and caterpillars, then we can see the synergistic action like enhances absorption and delay detoxification, because synergist delay the detoxification of organophosphate insecticide. And when we use carbamate group of insecticide with piperonyl butoxide for control of agricultural pest, then we can see the synergistic action, which is synergist may inhibit the esterase enzyme and esterase enzyme cannot degrade the carbamate group of insecticides. So friends, I hope you all understood, and thank you so much for watching this video.